In this video, we are going to have a look at one of the questions that we have solved in the previous videos. In that video, we had solved this particular question with a two grid method, and I'm going to use a single grid method to solve the same question again in this video. So the question was this: five friends, Anurag, Vijender, Vipin, Parakram and Abhinav, nicknamed as Sonu, Tinkle, Babu, Monu and Gorky, met after a long time. To celebrate their reunion, each of them decided to treat all other friends at different cafeteria, namely Barista, CCD, Minerva, Mojo and Keventus. Each cafeteria serves a different drink from among fruit juice, Pepsi, vodka, milk and cold coffee. Following additional information is given about them. So question is very clear. We have these 6 statements which are given. Anurag, who is not Sonu or Tinkle, didn't treat at Keventus. Parakram, who is Gorky, didn't treat with vodka or at CCD. Monu, who is not Abhinav or Anurag, treated at Barista. Abhinav treated with a drink whose name started with the same alphabet as that of the cafeteria in which it is served. The same holds true for one other friend who is neither Vijender nor Gorky. Vodka was served at Mojo and Vipin treated with Pepsi. Each friend has a different nickname, treats at a different cafeteria and treats with a different drink. So 6 statements in all, out of which a lot of them are negative statements. Anurag is not Sonu or Tinkle. Anurag did not treat at Keventus. Parakram did not treat with vodka or at CCD. Monu is not Abhinav or Anurag. And Vijender and Gorky did not treat with the drink having the same initial as that of the cafeteria. So these statements are all negative. So this particular question has got a lot of negative statements, and because it has got a lot of negative statements, that's why in the previous video we did this question using 2 different grids. There are also few positive statements in this. Parakram is Gorky, Monu treated at Barista, Vipin treated with Pepsi, vodka was served at Mojo, and then we also determined from the last but one statement which was given, cold coffee was served at CCD and milk was served at Minerva. Why we could determine this is it says that there are 2 cafeterias in which the drink that was served had the same starting alphabet as that of the cafeteria itself. So cold coffee CCD is one of them. Minerva and milk is the other one, because it was given to you that vodka was served at Mojo. So in the first method we used 2 grids because there were a lot of negative statements in this, and in this method I'm going to use 1 grid by using all the 4 parameters put into one single grid. So let's make that. So for doing that, I'm going to first look at all the positive statements which are there and make a grid. And if I look at these positive statements, there are 6 positive statements with me, these 3 and these 3. And the bottom 3 here, vodka was served at Mojo, cold coffee was served at CCD and milk was served at Minerva. All these 3 are mapping the drink to the cafeteria. So I have taken all the cafeteria here, Cafe Coffee Day, Barista, Mojo, Minerva, Keventus, and here we have milk, vodka, cold coffee, fruit juice and Pepsi. Now I'm going to mark this. So vodka was served at Mojo, cold coffee was served at CCD and milk was served at Minerva, and we get these 3 mapped here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the rest of the 3 and mark Monu treated at Barista right here. So Barista is Monu. And similarly, I'm going to use the next statement, Vipin treated with Pepsi, and put that here, Vipin with Pepsi. So if you look at this entire grid now, what have we done? We have taken on the top all the cafeteria. On the left hand side, we have all the drink. We're going to map all the nicknames at the bottom, and we're going to map all the names at the right hand side, right? So let's move forward. Now I'm going to mark all this entire grid based on all the positive and negative statements. So I've clubbed the negative statements here. I have also taken the last statement, which is Abhinav treated with a drink whose name started with the same alphabet as it is the cafeteria in which it is served. Same holds true for one other friend who is neither Vijender nor Gorky. Now using this particular statement and the other statement which says Parakram did not treat with vodka or at CCD, I can say Parakram hence treated with fruit juice only. Why? Because we know Parakram is Gorky, and because Parakram is Gorky, Gorky did not serve cold coffee, he did not serve milk. So milk cold coffee is not possible, and we also know here Parakram did not give his treat with vodka. So milk is gone, vodka is gone, cold coffee is gone, Pepsi was for Vipin, so that means fruit juice is for Parakram. Now see, fruit juice is for Parakram. Another thing that we should note here now is, for Parakram we have this and this place which is blank because these three are crosses. So if Parakram comes here, then he would have given his treat at Caventus. If Parakram comes here, then he would have given the treat at Barista. But we know Parakram is who? Parakram is Gorky, and the treat was given at Barista by Monu. So definitely this is going to be a cross. That means this is going to be a tick. And if this is a tick, we know this is a cross, and that means this will become a tick. So this inference we can derive from just putting Parakram here. So let's do that now. So we have, this is a yes, that means this is a cross, that means this is a cross, that means Parakram gave his treat at Caventus and his nickname was Gorky, and what was served there? Fruit juice, and that means this will become a yes. That means Vipin treated with Pepsi, and Pepsi was served in Barista, and Barista the treat was given by Monu. So all these are mapped with just this one mapping of Parakram here. Right? Now we are left with the three people here, and we know either Abhinav or Anurag has served milk, Abhinav or Anurag has served cold coffee. So these two are very clear here. That means what? That means Vijender served vodka. So this is now very clear. Vijender served with vodka and he gave his treat at Mojo, but we don't know who is Vijender here, isn't it? Now if you look at the statements which are now left out, Anurag did not treat at Caventus. This statement we don't need because we know that Anurag has given his treat either at CCD or Minerva. But we are left with this statement and this statement. And what does it say here? It says Anurag is not Sonu, not Tinkle, and Anurag is not Monu also. That means who is Anurag? Anurag we know is not Gorky as well. So Anurag has to be now Babu. So this gets us to the final solution. So what we don't know is where did Anurag and Abhinav treat his friends, but we know that these two people have treated his friends with either at CCD or at Minerva. The other thing that we don't know here is as to, we know Anurag is Babu, but what we don't know is who is Abhinav and who is Vijender, because these two people can be either Sonu or Tinkle. So that is something that we don't know. Okay, so this part we have no idea, this part we have no idea. So these are the two things that you can't determine from this. So let's now look at the questions. So if Anurag treated his friends with cold coffee, then which drink did Sonu treat his friends with? This is very clear now. The answer will be cannot be determined because first of all we don't know who is Sonu. Because if Sonu is Abhinav, then he would have given a treat with milk. If Sonu is Vijender, he would have given a treat with vodka. Which drink was served at Barista? That's very clear here now. So we know Barista, it is Pepsi. Who among the following cannot be the person who gave a treat at CCD? So in CCD, the possibility is either Anurag or Abhinav. And we know that Anurag is Babu. And we know that Abhinav can be Sonu. So the answer for this will be only D, Vijender. This last one, how many of the following cafeterias could be the one in which Tinkle could have given the treat? So Tinkle could be who all? Tinkle can be either Abhinav or Tinkle could be Vijender. Now if Tinkle is Abhinav, he could have given a treat at CCD or Minerva. If Tinkle is Vijender, he would have given a treat at Mojo. So answer will be all three. So A, B and C. So this question can also be solved like this using single grid. Only thing is single grid is a bit complicated. So I would urge you to practice a bit so that you are able to use 4 parameters on the single grid without any confusion whatsoever. So as we said, the method 2 of using single grid is a shorter method. It will require a bit of practice, but once you have that practice, it will be way easier to do this question as using a single grid as compared to that of 2 grids. So thank you for watching the video. You can check out my previous video in the link given at the description for understanding how I did this question using 2 grids.